budget cuts from the announcer. I'm probably, you know that I've got this from a. Don't hate me, guys. Hey! Those are my glasses! Well. You still saw these math equations. But 2 got very angry right now. Rev 10 got 8 votes, so he's safe. 8 got 16 votes, and we got 20 votes. Sorry to your winner with 67 votes. Oh, come on! I just started this video. Oh, hey, don't ever steal my glasses ever again. Okay, so the next challenge is, what's this happening? Why, this is episode 0. Okay, why do you turn to white, guys? Okay, seriously, why my body now getting weirder and weirder, and the buzzer cuts getting worse and worse? Okay, I win. But who won? It's you. Vote and no. Swear bracket. Who's the next one to remember? Whoever gets the most votes will leave the cell. And you just vote everywhere. And do not vote. Why you spike glasses? No. I do not recommend that. Maybe it's the budget cuts and my new background saying too much later.